All of the 26 alphabets are classified into vowels and consonants. From these 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels, and the remaining 21 letters are known as consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. A, E, I, O, and U are vowel. Vowels are speech sounds created by the open configuration of the vocal tract. By pairing with consonants, vowels make syllables. Vowels combine with consonants to form syllables. Examples of vowels in words: sat, egg, diagram, ultrasonography, etc. Here, in the word sat, A is the vowel. In egg, E is the vowel. In diagram, A and I are the vowels. Similarly, in the word ultrasonography, A, O, and U are the vowels. Consonants, the remaining 19 characters except the vowel are all consonant. Apart from vowels, the rest of the alphabets are called consonants. A consonant must pair with a vowel s to make a syllable. Without pairing with vowels, consonants can't make any syllable. So, the consonant is the basic speech sound in which the breath is at least partly obstructed, and it can be combined with vowels to make syllables. All but one vowel in a word can be consonant. Example of consonants: a, carry, c, I, r, and y are the consonants. B, story, st, I, and y are consonants. C, earning, I, n, and g are consonants.